you can then run your backtest today and see, okay, what signals did the backtest give me over the last 6 weeks? And what trades did I actually take, and do they match? So are the trades the same? In hindsight, does the backtest actually give me signals in the stocks that I bought? But the second part of that is, what price did the backtest enter at? And what price did the backtest exit at? And what price did you actually enter at? And did you actually exit at? Because the backtest assumes and typically in my systems, the backtest assumes you get what price. The systems enter at the open. So when you run the backtest now and look back at the last 6 weeks, the price that the backtest will have in there is the opening price the morning after the signal was generated, right? And so when you're placing your trades, you should be getting the opening price. So you can compare your price that you got to the opening price that the backtest got and see if there's a difference.